How do you do? I did Hollyman today with the 6 o'clock Zoom class, and it ended up kicking my butt. That was a good one.
Kicking your butt?
What's that?
Keep kicking your butt?
Yeah,
Why?
every day. I don't know why. It's a good question. I saw some of you during the Zoom session do it, and I'm proud of you guys for doing it. I saw some of you log your scores on WAD together, and that's awesome. Good job, guys. There's a lot of you I haven't seen anything from. I have no idea what you're doing. So I hope things are going well. We try our best to kind of connect with you guys through Facebook, through Instant Messenger, WAD together. We even put our videos on YouTube. We're just hearing very little back from you guys, so we hope things are going well. It would be nice for us to connect somehow, for us to get some kind of feedback from you guys or whatever. So please do. Thursday, let's take a look. All right, so today we have squat cleans for the home gym with a barbell and weights. And today we're finding a 2-rep max using 8 sets of 2. And I don't want you to go beyond 8 sets, and I don't want you to go anything before 8 sets. So try to schedule your weights out for 8 sets of 2, increasing weight each time to find that 2-rep max. If you're using dumbbells, kettlebells, sandbag, odd object, we're going to do a complex. And in this complex, we're going to have a 12-minute EMOM. Every minute on the minute, you'll be doing 3 deadlift, 3 hang power clean, and 3 front squats. This is very similar to an on-ramp Metcon that we have. If you're using 1 dumbbell instead of 2, or a kettlebell instead of 2, you can alternate which hand you use every other minute. So, dumbbell version, 1 in each hand, all the way down. You can tap ahead. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and so on, and then front squat. Okay? If you have only 1, say you have a kettlebell, only 1 of them, alternate a hand per minute. So your first minute will be on your right hand, 1, 2, and so on. 1, 2, and then front squat. And then your next minute, you'll switch hands and do it with that hand. So on the Metcon, we have monostructural metabolic, which is a fancy term for cardio and some gymnastic movements. We have air squats and sit-ups, push-ups, pull-ups, burpees, and toes to bar, and a 200-meter run after each one of those movements, except for toes to bar. We end on toes to bar. Nothing needs to be gone over in detail as far as scale goes here, except for maybe pull-ups and the toes to bar. And at the end of this, I'll show you 2 videos going over some scales for pull-ups and toes to bar. When measuring off your running space, you have to walk off 100 3-foot steps, and that'll give you your point A to B, and then, of course, you're running back point B to A, and that's your 200 meters. Sit-ups don't have to be done with an ab mat, but if you have one, go ahead and use it. Here's a quick recap on pull-up scales. If you don't have a pull-up bar, you can use a door, and you start from a dead hang and do pull-ups on the door. If you need some assistance, you can use your feet and help yourself kind of jump up into full flexion. If you don't have rings and can't do ring rows, you can wrap something around a doorknob, piece of something, and use that as your pulling movement. Full flexion and full extension. Same basic movement as a ring row. And then again, if that's too easy, you can switch over to a one-handed version and kind of alternate reps. Here's toes to post. Okay. Or toes to something if you don't have a post. Oh my. Let's try that again. Here's toes to something if you can't do toes to post. Cool, so let's give this a shot. This is North Carolina. This is one of our state WADs in our state benchmark collection. And I know it's not a true retest. We did this once in 2015 and then once in 2018. I know it's not a true retest because most of us don't have the pull-up bars to use, but let's give it a shot anyways and see what kind of time difference it takes on us and whatever else. So, good luck, and let me see what you guys are doing out there. Give me some feedback, please. All right, bye.